Alright guys, so the Google Pixel 7 series is not expected to launch before the last quarter of this year, and even though we are only in the first quarter right now, we now have the renders of both the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Now these are the CAD based renders of both phones and they were shared by OnLeaks, who is a very reliable source. These renders show that this year Google has no plans to make any big changes in the designs of both the phones. The two phones look quite similar to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro of last year. Now keeping the same design for a new generation of phones is not a bad thing because we have seen companies such as Apple and Samsung doing the same for their flagship phones. There is one change in the design however when we compare Pixel 7 series to the Pixel 6 series. If you look closely, the renders of Pixel 7 series show that the camera bar on the back seems to have merged into the frame of the phone, so this does remind us of the Galaxy S21 series. In terms of the camera count, it still remains the same as Pixel 6 series, so the vanilla Pixel 7 has a dual camera setup with no telephoto lens, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro has a triple camera setup with a periscope lens for zoom shots. The display is flat in case of the Pixel 7, whereas on the Pixel 7 Pro there is a curved screen. Both the phones have a hole punch for the selfie camera in the middle. Both phones are 8.7mm thick when we do not include the thickness of camera module, so that means both these phones are slimmer than the last year's Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. As for the screen sizes, the Pixel 7 is set to have a screen size between 6.2 to 6.4 inch, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro has a screen size between 6.7 to 6.8 inch. As of now, we do not know the spec sheet yet, but now that the design is out, we won't be surprised if the specifications get leaked as well in the coming months. Well, that's all for this video and I will catch you in the next one.